Question 28d. The test results in English and mathematics for a class were recorded and displayed in the box and whisker plots. Part 1. What is the interquartile range for English? And that's just found by taking the third quartile and subtracting from that the first quartile. So 80 minus 50 is equal to 30. Part 2. Compare and contrast the two data sets by referring to the skewness of the distributions and the measures of location and spread. Let's consider skewness. For English, the lower tail is much longer than the upper tail, and the median is much closer to the maximum score as it is to the minimum score. So we can conclude that the scores for English are negatively skewed, whereby with mathematics, the length of the two tails are approximately equal, and the median is roughly halfway between the minimum score and the maximum score. So we can conclude that English is negatively skewed in comparison with mathematics, which is approximately symmetrical. Let's consider the interquartile range and the range for English and mathematics. So interquartile range for English is 30. We worked that out from part 1 previously. And the range is 85, so from 10 to 95. For maths, the interquartile range is 15, so that's from 65 to 80. And the range is 40, so from 50 to 90. Now, the lower interquartile range and range for mathematics may indicate more consistent scores in mathematics when compared to English. Now let's consider the medians. So the median of both is approximately equal to each other. There's not much in it. So the median for English is 70 and the median for mathematics is 75. So we could say that so the middle part of the distribution, or the center score, or the center scores, are roughly equal to each other. And one other point to compare is the fact that quartile 3 for English is equal to quartile 3 for mathematics. So the two upper quartiles are identical as well. So the top end, or the upper 25% of English, is roughly equal to the upper 25% of scores in mathematics. So there's quite a bit there that you can consider when writing your response to part 2.